Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. What payment platform does HoneyBook use? Before I get into the answer, I want to give you a little bit of background on HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a software platform that helps freelancers and small businesses manage their clients and projects. It's a great tool for keeping track of invoices, payments, and deadlines. Now, let's get to the answer to the question. What payment platform does HoneyBook use? Answer. HoneyBook uses a variety of payment platforms, including PayPal, Stripe, and Square. You can choose which payment platform you want to use when you set up your HoneyBook account. Benefits of using HoneyBook's payment platform. There are a number of benefits to using HoneyBook's payment platform. First, it's easy to set up and use. Second, it's secure and reliable. Third, it's integrated with HoneyBook's other features, such as invoicing and project management. How to set up HoneyBook's payment platform. If you're interested in using HoneyBook's payment platform, here's how to set it up. Go to your HoneyBook account settings. Click on the Payment tab. Select the payment platform that you want to use. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup process. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions about HoneyBook's payment platform, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, I encourage you to check out their website or sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me.